If I left, then it made no sense. And you tell your friends and they hold your hands. Baby, never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind. If I left, then it made no sense.
Okay, really quick. I have a Dollar Tree haul. But I'm going to do this really quick because it's late. And it's nighttime. So I went to the Dollar Tree today and grabbed a couple things. The first thing I got was one of these. I have a DIY. Well, actually not a DIY. It's something I got to do for one of my friends. So I got one of these. They look like little magnolia flowers. So I got that. Finally found the Bolero brands at my, well, actually not my Dollar Tree in my area, but near me. So I got the Moroccan mint and raspberry and the lavender French lap. This one smells so good. I have the wipes. I got the wipes for this one for myself. And I got this one, body oil. So the lavender, French lavender citrus, that smells really good. And the Moroccan mint and raspberry. And I got the wipes also. And I got another set of wipes. I think they're for me. I also got the bath fizz. Look, these are going to be for a Easter basket for a certain person. And the lotion of the Moroccan mint and raspberry. So I found those. Yeah, that was it on that. Very excited. I think they had the pear one too, but I was trying to find all like a set. So I got that. Then I picked up some of these Warheads Chewy Cubes. And that's going to go into a basket also. And I got some of these because I'm going to do a wreath for somebody. So I got like the plain burlap one. So I got a couple of those. Pattern. And then I got this chevron kind. So I got a couple of those. So I'll be doing that. And then let's see what else. What did I get? Oh, I got the Dial Lemon Citrus. Smells so good. I like this one. So I got 2 of those. Okay. Oh. Sorry. I'm on my bed. I also picked up some grass. Easter grass. I already made one basket. Oh, here's the other one. So I got the French, this is the French vanilla. The French lavender citrus. They smell really good. I used it on my head. And I picked up some of these and I was wearing one. But I'm also going to give this one in a basket too. And it comes with like a bump kind of tool. And a rubber band, I think. And this is by the Scrunchy? I don't know how you say it. By that brand. So I got 2 of those. Those are for our Easter basket. Let's see, it came with this. I think you put this on your head to make like a bump. I don't know, something like that. Something else. And so I also got a couple of these for my mom's kitchen, which I'm going to decorate a little bit. I got this one. It just says Country Farm. So I got her that one, and I got her this one. And then I got her this one's kind of cute. Wake up and smell the coffee. So I got her that. I also picked up this because I saw it in somebody's haul. And I really like this one right here. I like that. I don't know if I'm going to use the rest of this, but I think I'm going to use this on a picture frame. picked up that. And the Dollar Tree I went to had a lot of things. So they actually found these. So I picked up 2 white ones. And I'm going to use them in there. Picked up a bag of pebbles. And they look like they're a little small. These are pretty neat. I've never seen these. They're not like the big box. So I picked up a bag of those. Let me see. So I picked up 2 of those. 2 of these. The same color. White. And then I picked up... Okay. I picked up this guy. I'm maybe planning to paint it all white. Not sure, but I thought it was cute. Maybe put it out in the garden. I think maybe. I thought it was super cute, so I picked up that guy. And then I picked up. Okay, and I picked up this one too. So maybe I am planning on painting them white. I'm not sure. Oh, look like it's missing a piece of nose. It is. Oh well. So those will probably go out into my garden area. And then what else did I get? I picked up 2 of these baskets, which I used one for an Easter basket I made. And I'm going to make another one out of this one. And let's see. Do I want to show you my Ikea? Okay. And that's it for my Dollar Tree haul. Okay, so now for my Ikea haul. Picked up some placemats. So I've been needing some placemats, so I ended up getting these. I think these were $2.99. So I picked up these placemats. It doesn't have a name on it. So I picked up 6 of these for my table. Picked up 2 of these. These are going to be for something else, but picked up 2 of these. Kind of look like bamboo. But I think these were also $2.99. So I picked up 2 of these. And I went really quick. Well, we didn't go up quick, but I also picked up for my spring summer bedding. I don't know what the name of that is. The full queen size set. This was, I think, $39.99. So I picked up this. I'm doing my bed. And my hubby wanted a spray bottle for his plants. So we got a spray bottle. Some jars. He wanted some jars for something. I don't know what. So we picked up these. Also picked up. They're always burning their hands with the mat. I don't know what you call them. The oven mittens. So we ended up getting these oven mittens. I don't think they have a name. No, but we ended up getting 2 of those. So he's excited for these. And I think that's all I got at Ikea. Oh, and a mat for an outdoor mat. We got an outdoor mat from Ikea. But yeah, that's all we got from Ikea. Really short, small haul from Ikea. And I think that's it for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this small haul. And stay tuned for more DIYs. I think I have one coming up. And What else? Yeah. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any comments, comment down below. I will see you guys later. All right, you guys have a good day. Bye.
What if I left anything lost?